For sale, 1967 Mustang Fastback. 289C code. 4-speed top loader. All original body panels, all original paint. Runs and drives. Still has the original 289 engine. Has the engine ID tag right there. Cast iron 2-barrel intake manifold, stock exhaust manifolds. Still has the original radiator. Low on options. It's a 4-speed, no power steering, no disc brakes, no fold down. It's been in California at least the last 10 years. When it was brand new, sold in Dallas, Texas. Car's never been wrecked. Does need some rust repairs. The top 4 spots here, 2 on each side. Somebody bondoed that up. Same thing right here, right here. Needs a full floor pan underneath, torque box. Back part of the frame rails need to be replaced. Doors are real solid. Just some real light bubbling in the corner there. No Bondo and no holes or anything on the doors. They're real solid. All the glass is good. Rear quarters need the bottom section on both sides. There's a lot of Bondo right here and some rust issues around the wheel well. On the back lower section there, same thing on the other side. All original glass except the windshield's been replaced. That's in good shape. The roof's real solid. There's only one dent. Right here. Besides that, it's real straight. Original trunk lid still has the original jack sticker there. Never been wrecked front or back. Left side's worse. Gas tank's new. Muffler's new, brakes are new, drum brakes. I do have access to complete fold down seat assembly. I have coming in real soon. Still has original radiator, radio, AM radio. Dashpad's in really good shape. It's probably been replaced to be that nice. 21,000 showing on the odometer. Start it up. Engine runs good. Got a brand new fuel pump. Going for a test drive. Does the radio work? How's it ride on the freeway?
Actually, I've never taken on the freeway, actually. It's all been on the street.
Good enough. I know it's low on gas.
It is a little low.
If you're interested, I have lots of pictures. Give me a call, 714-757-8437, or email me, rpmron@gmail.com. Thank you. The radio even works.
And when it's hit down the corner, there's usually a two-person cutoff. You've got Adam Frazier's the first one out there. Peraz is...
Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks.